you're gonna lose.
A layer. Ready? And then I did. That's spicy. But you have to make it the way I just made it. Otherwise, it's wrong. Buddha.
This makes me glad.
Are you gonna pour it?
Don't think it's nasty. No,
What's your order? My name.
I have indigestion.
I interrupted our meeting.
Tummy hurts.